great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. If you have a Windows PC that is very slow, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see how to boost your PC speed and improve the performance of your Windows PC by updating your Windows driver. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Right, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, press Windows plus X, and this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you need to do is to press K on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. Then navigate to LT, boot page file, cross drop, basic data partition. Right click on that, and then make sure you click on property, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to hardware. Under the hardware, you have your disk drive right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on property. So it's going to take you right here. Then navigate to driver. So under the driver, you have update driver right here. Update the driver for this device. Click on update driver. Then here we go. How do you want to search for driver? Search automatically for driver. Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. Browse my computer for drive, locate and install a driver manually. So choose on this particular options right here. Then we have your C drive right here. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on next and allow this scan drive to complete, and you have this. Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed. There may be better driver on Windows Update or on the device manufacturer website. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on close right there. It's that simple. Your driver has been updated and the PC is that simple. So basically, this is how to simply update your Windows PC driver without any stress to boost speed and improve the performance of your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.